What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into the next one on our Coldplay journey. Every Teardrop is a Waterfall live in Madrid in 2011. I'm looking forward to it. Coming at us from Raphael. Much love, my friend. Let's go on the journey, see what we got.
Thank you, Anton. I'll shut the world outside until the lights come on. Maybe the streets are alive, maybe the trees are gone, but I feel my heart start beating to my favorite song. And all the kids, they dance, all the kids all night, until Monday morning seems another life. I turn the music up, I'm on a roll this time, and heaven is inside. Yeah. I'd rather be a comma than a full stop. Maybe I'm in the black, maybe I'm on my knees. I'm in the gap between the two trapezes. My heart is beating, my pulse is start. Cathedrals in my heart, a sweet song.
Wow. It's already got like the happiest vibe in the world. I'm saying, no matter what you're going through something. We all are. Find an escape. Find a way to see the good in the world. Find the light, because there always is a light, regardless of how dark it may seem right now. There's always something. You just gotta know to look for it. It's all gonna be all right. Every tear's a waterfall. Every tear can be beautiful. Yeah! Inspirational. That's a beautiful crowd. No good nights. No good nights allowed. Look at it. Look at all of these people. And they're all here. Why? because they all have felt something in Coldplay's music. It has made them feel comforted. It has made them feel emotional. It has made them feel alive. You know that it's not just music full of junk. It's music that's going to pierce right into your soul and touch you in some sort of way. Absolutely powerful. Get over, show Coldplay all the love in the world if you haven't done so already. You're the one that's missing out. The world already knows. Smash the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but I won't believe you. Tell the next one of the Combustible. Look for that light. It's there, I promise you. You guys be happy, healthy, safe, but let me to the moon and back. Peace.